I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got your clip in the timeline. Open the Color workspace and load Lumetri Color. First, decide whether to use an adjustment layer for global changes or edit the clip directly. Adjustment layers keep edits non-destructive. Once done, expand Basic Correction and use exposure as your starting point to raise or lower overall brightness. This sets a foundation so subsequent sliders behave predictably. Make sure to check the program monitor while you nudge exposure to avoid overexposure. Now refine brightness. Lower highlights to recover bright detail and lift shadows to reveal shadowed areas without crushing blacks. Contrast moves the midtones. Use whites and blacks to define the dynamic range. For more precise control, pull the tone curve or RGB curves to tweak midtone brightness and preserve color. Make sure to check the Lumetri scopes. Use the waveform to confirm you're hitting desired luminance, and add subtle keyframed adjustments if the shot changes over time. Finish by adding creative tweaks. Adjust contrast strength, highlight roll-off, and use color wheels for midtone brightness tweaks to taste. Match adjacent shots with comparison view and apply masks or secondary corrections when one area needs different brightness. When satisfied, render a short section to confirm playback. If things go wrong, like weird clipping or stuttering, reset Lumetri controls or clear Premiere's media cache and recheck the scopes. That usually fixes unintended changes and ensures consistent brightness across exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.